Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the mystery subscription for July. I'm so excited for this. This is probably one of the heftiest ultimate kits that we've had in a while, and I'm so pumped about it. I'll show you guys the mini kit last. I will probably be moving the subscription service over to our main shop. I'm going to see how easy it is to just transfer everything. If not, I might have to have everybody re-sign up, but I'll let you guys know more about that on Instagram and Facebook, and then also I'll be sending like an email blast out about it. So if you're not subscribed to our mailing list, go to scribbleprintsco.com and scroll to the bottom and you can sign up for that so you're in the know about all of the new things. So let's go ahead and show you this stack. It is thick this month. So I just want to go over you guys really quickly what I quote comes in the mystery kits. So for the mini kit here, the mini kit is quoted to have the 5 sheets plus the glitter headers. That's what you're signing up for, and you also get an extra, which is the journaling card. It's a foiled journaling card that isn't like included in the price or anything. And then for the ultimate kit, you get 9 sheets, the glitter sampler, the sticky notes, and then 1 sticker extra. So this month, y'all got spoiled. So let's go ahead and show you what is good, because there is a lot of good. First things first is we did use our old cellos just because they didn't fit in the smaller ones, the ultimate kits this month. And I think for future also, we'll probably be using the larger cellos just because these usually do end up being pretty thick. So you do have quite a few things in here. Let's go through the kit first and then we'll go through the extras last. I'm sure you guys are like, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? There's literally like a million extras. Okay. Oh, there literally is. Okay, we'll count the extras then. So this is the kit itself, and the subscription for the ultimate is $30 plus shipping, so pretty much the same as an ultimate kit. Like an ultimate kit's $29.95. But you know, so there is the full boxes here, which this is a fall kit. I wanted to do, if I did seasonal, to do them well in advance. I know we're all planner girls, and I know right now fall kits are coming out, so I didn't want to, you know, give you guys a summer kit or anything. When it comes to June, I want to make sure I'm always ahead and, you know, keeping you guys in mind that you probably have a lot of your kits planned out for the summer already. So I wanted to do a fall kit. Seems a little weird for July, but I know a lot of you guys will appreciate it. So there is the full boxes here, which I am so in love with. I think it's so fun. I wanted to do kind of like apple picking vibes. I wanted to do a really pretty pie there. And then all of our art for our mysteries is always exclusive and custom. So then you have your freebie, you have your extra full box here, which is just like a little pumpkin and a little like crate. You have the plaid in here. This is a very like brush strokey plaid. I came out of the kit this week, and that art has like more of a standard plaid. This is very like brush strokes plaid with a glitter. Then you have your scribblers on the bottom, which these haven't been released yet, but you have a little one with hair curlers, one playing a board game, and one with cards, and a little plaid bow, which I think is so dang cute. And then you have a bunch of deco here as well. And this is also the theme of the next TN kit, so get real excited about that. There is the functional here, again with that like plaid in the background, and it's very paint strokey. I'll show you it closer when we do the checklists. So cute. I love the colors. Wanted to go very like cool. Love the strokes in the background there. And then the bottom washi is a really like nice zoomed up plaid, really beautiful with your date covers with the gold in the background. So pretty. I love this so much. It's one of my favorite mystery kits. I think it's just so fun, so cute. So that is the ultimate kit, and then you do get a bunch of extras. So you do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and sort of 10. So you do kind of get 10 extras. This is from last month. So last month I wasn't super pleased. Our manufacturer for Post-its, and I didn't honestly even notice until I was under my studio lights, and after I was filming I was just like playing with stuff, and I was like, the stroke on this is olive. It's a really dark olive. Most people probably wouldn't even notice, but I noticed. So I was like, hey guys, this is messed up, and they sent me new ones with the black stroke, so everyone's getting one regardless if you were signed up last month or not. So sticky notes, and then you do get this month's sticky notes, which is the same pretty much, but with the pattern. I just love that. Next month's isn't the same as this, but I just thought those were so cute. I'll leave the newer stuff to last. You're getting your foiled journaling card, which says fall breeze and autumn leaves in the gold foil. So pretty. You do get some bows, you do get fashion girls, you do get your glitter sampler, and then you do get fashion kids. So normally whenever, like for the Mother's Day kit, I really amped it up because if you didn't have kids, I wanted you to be able to omit this and still get a lot of extras. Or the Mother's Day, if you didn't want to use it as a Mother's Day kit, I wanted you to be able to omit those and still have a lot of extras. So I didn't really count this towards like the items. So normally it would probably be like, this is kind of like what we quote as a mystery kit. That would be a mystery kit. So we did put in a lot of extras this month, and then we have some experimental new items that I wanted to throw in there as well, just because I don't know, I was just like going big this month. So the first thing here are they are washi stickers, and I'm not like super happy with the way these turn out as far as the print quality in the background, and I wasn't even going to put them in, but I just figured, you know, if I already had them, I might as well just throw them in. They weren't really counting towards your guys' extras anyways. I'm going to try them again in the future with like a lighter color, but they are, it's hard to do with nails, but they are like actual like washi material, and they just have like the glitter texture in the background and then also the plaid pattern. But I thought these would be really cute to use like as your bottom washi, like cut it in half and use this, or you can just use them like, you know, however you want to use them. But I just thought it was something different and something to try. I'm gonna probably try doing these again in the future, but I'll try like a lighter color because I think it might have been the darker colors. You do have some full box overlays which are super cute. The only thing I kind of like regret is not like lining up this pie. I just kind of put the pie there and didn't even realize I did a full box of pie, but you could totally put the pie over something else and it would still look super cute. But you have a pie, you have the little like brush strokes that kind of like mimic the ones in the plaid, and then you have a little apple, which I just think would look so cute layered over really anything. Probably that one mostly. That one or this one, however you want to do it, but I just thought this was a cool extra to do. So you do have some full box overlays. And then last but not least, this is so funny. So whenever I sent this kit, I think it was, I sent it to Jessica, she was like, oh, it should be like scratch and sniff and smell like fall. And I was like, but what if I do a custom air freshener? So first of all, if you don't like cinnamon, don't open it up, give it to a friend or throw it away. But if you do like cinnamon, put it in your car. How cute is this? I love it. It's double-sided with our bow. It matches the collection with the blue, and it smells like cinnamon. It's so good. It smells really good. It's not like a crazy harsh cinnamon, but it's good. Like, I'm gonna put this somewhere in my room, like right now, like right over here. It's gonna be so cute. I love it so much. I just thought it was something fun and different. I'm not gonna do this every month, but it might be cute to do something like in the winter, like pine maybe. Let me know what you guys think about this. Obviously, like, I don't include this in the count of like the extras, but I just think it was something fun and it kind of had like a cute little story. Like, I feel like this should smell like cinnamon and like the little cinnamon sticks there. But that's everything for the ultimate. I know there's a lot to kind of like take in, but I just really like love doing a lot of extras. It's so fun. I do think from now on I probably will do overlays and also the little bows included as the stickers. So pretty much always in the mysteries, I know this is getting confusing, always in the mysteries I'll probably have your journaling card, which these will switch up obviously because I don't really quote them being in there. The glitter sampler, the ultimate kit, the sticky notes, the bows, and then these are kind of just like, these will vary, or I won't have them. These will always be in there. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. You guys kind of have an idea probably if you're watching this what normally goes on in our mystery kits, but that's that. And then we'll go into the mini kit. The mini kit's just a more affordable option. It doesn't have all the extras, doesn't have all the sheets, just if you want something simple and easy, and a mini kit. So the mini kit does come with your mini kit, so you do have the freebie, the full boxes, the deco, the functional page, the half boxes, the pattern washi, and then we did upgrade. It used to come with a little like this big with the glitter headers on there, but we did upgrade it to the glitter sampler. Also did obviously add the extra sheet because the mini kits do come with 5 sheets now, and you do also get the foiled journaling card. So that is everything for this month. I hope you like this month's theme. I'm really excited about next month. Next month is not a seasonal theme, it's an anytime theme, which you guys know I'm usually all about those. And I'm really excited about that. I don't have anything crazy going into that one as far as like weird extras, but you never know what the future holds. So that's everything for this month. I hope you guys like this month's mystery. I'm super excited for what is to come. I have everything designed up until I think December. So really excited for that, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.